Hello, this is Matthew DeRose. This is my first demo video, and this is February 14th, 2021. So my project for this week I've been working on currently is the background color selector for the image viewer. So basically we need an option for users to be able to choose the background color. So the background is considered this area to the side here. So the user should be able to click on these different icons and either change it to white, black, a black and white checker, or to be able to choose a custom color here. So when the user clicks on this icon, they should be able to view a color picker window, and they'd make their selection, and that change will be made instantaneously. So I've also created a second mockup. This is pretty rough just in terms of where I kind of want things on the image viewer in mobile view. So as you can see here, the background color selector is the same, but I've moved it to a line below the image name. I did notice that if the image name was very, very long, there's a possibility that it would conflict with the background color selector. So I've just created a second line for the background color selector and the zoom menu options to exist, just so it doesn't create any sort of conflicts on the page. So I'll just move to what I've implemented. So as you can see here, we have some some issues here, but I'm working on now. But from this last week, I wanted to rough in where just what the background color selector menu would look like. So as you can see here, I don't have these currently these icons as being clickable. This week I'll be kind of working on that. I do have it so that the custom color picker, what that'll do is we are able to kind of navigate the color picker window, but it will only change the icon, and I do want the background color change as well. So that's something I'll be working on. And then as you can see here, the background color menu and the zoom menu, both of those need to be on the same line as the image name when we're in desktop view. So that's another thing I'll be changing. And so just other things I'm working on in terms of the back end for this. So I do have it isolated where, so what part of the CSS needs to be targeted in order to change the background color in the image viewer. So I'm just kind of working on the action handler for that, and I'm referencing the zoom menu of the different scaling options, and just using that as the reference of where I should implement these changes. So I'm hoping to have that completed for the most part, as of hopefully by next week. And then just after this demo video is completed, I'll update my work in progress code, and I'll also provide the updated mockups and add them to the my Notion page for this project. And if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Have yourselves a great day, and I'll hear from you soon.